Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a grocery haul. I just got home from the grocery store, and so I thought I would just share with you the little bit of groceries that I got. It's not much, but I thought I'd share anyways. Okay, so this is the bit of groceries I just got. Let's start over here with the meat. So I've got 2 pounds of hamburger meat. I'm gonna make tacos in a few days. And then I did get 2 things of thinly sliced chicken breast. And that's gonna be, we have what's called chicken and rice, just barbecue chicken and rice. So we got that. And then here I got some turkey bacon, some Oscar Mayer turkey bacon. This is the best. I love it. And then I got some Hillshire Farm oven roasted turkey breast lunch meat. My kids and my husband love having sandwiches for lunch. I got a thing of mild taco seasoning because, like I said, we're gonna make tacos. I got an 18 count of large eggs. Oh, these are extra large eggs. Sorry, my bad. We got those. We got some Hormel pepperoni slices. Again, my family likes to put them on their turkey sandwiches. A head of lettuce for the turkey sandwiches. Some shredded lettuce. I'm lazy and just buy the shredded lettuce for tacos. Some Vlasic Stacker pickles. So these are like the sandwich pickles. For their sandwiches, of course. Some nacho cheese Doritos. Oh, sorry. Nacho cheese Doritos. And then over here, I have some bell peppers. Those are for breakfast. My husband likes to have those with his eggs. Some tomatoes for sandwiches and for tacos. A couple of white onions. I'm not doing very well with the camera today, am I? These Little Debbie's birthday zebra cakes. Some fruit by the foot fruit snacks. And then some Mott's assorted fruit snacks. My kids really like these. I get the big size because if not, trust me, they go through those so quickly it's not even funny. So, but there's that. And then I got some hot dog buns because my children want chili dogs for dinner one night. So I got those. Some flour tortillas for, of course, for tacos. And then just some white bread for, of course, sandwiches. Some mild guacamole. This is like the Walmart one. My family likes to put it on their tacos. Some Daisy brand sour cream. This is my favorite sour cream. And of course that's for the tacos. Some Ocean Spray cran grape juice. This is really delicious. I use it to make it's like a faux Starbucks drink. So I use that for that. Some New York Bakery garlic knots because we're gonna have spaghetti. Some Tampico because it's delicious, and I get this big thing because I feel like if I get this, the kids will drink something other than soda, so they can have this or water. And then I just got some French vanilla Coffee Mate creamer. And last but not least, some Minute Maid mango punch because that is to go with my like faux Starbucks drink that I make. I did have one more thing I wanted to show you because I didn't buy this at Walmart today. I bought it at Smith's yesterday, but I'm so excited for this. This is the Myers all-purpose or the multi-surface everyday cleaner, and it's in the scent lavender. And I am so excited to try this, you guys. I can't wait. I've been using the Method one, and it works, but I can't do the smell of it. It reeks. I don't know why, but I don't like the smell of it. So I wanted to try something new, and I wanted to try a different brand as well. I've been wanting to try this for a really long time, so I'm super glad that I found it at Smith's, and I just wanted to share with you, even though I didn't buy it at Walmart today. By the way, I did do a grocery pickup at Walmart today. I forgot to tell you that. There's just times when I hate grocery shopping, so I prefer to, sometimes I prefer to go in and grocery shop, but for the most part, I like to do the grocery pickup because all I have to do is go in or go into the like parking thing, and they just load it all up for me, and I can do other things while someone else is shopping for me. I just love it, especially if it's a small grocery shop like this one is. So, and it just depends, like if I'm gonna buy grapes, I don't like sorry, you can like see my messy thing over there. I don't like someone else picking things out for me. There's certain things I'm like, and if there's days when I need, like, you know, like last week I needed a new bra. So I obviously went, you know, there was times when I need light bulbs or, you know, whatever have you, that obviously someone else can't pick out for me. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know on that, let you know about the Mrs. Meyer's, I think that's what it's called. I said Meyer's, yeah, it's Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day, if it'll focus, multi-surface everyday cleaner, removes dirt and freshens surface, and it's in the lavender scent. So I thought you might want to know. Thought I'd share. But yeah, that's all I got in my grocery haul. Actually, I did get a 12-pack of Mountain Dew and a 12-pack of Pepsi, but I think the kids left it in the garage. But yeah, I did get those. I know this video is probably not going to be very long, but I just thought I'd share. And I thought you would like to know what I get. So yeah, so the plan for this week is tacos, chicken rice, and spaghetti for the weekend. So today's Thursday, the 25th. And so I pretty much just bought stuff for the next like 4 days. So yeah, that's what I did. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked seeing what I bought at the grocery store. Again, I'm really sorry that this video isn't very long. Honestly, I thought I bought more at the grocery store. I think I'm gonna have to check my receipt because I swear that I bought more than this. So we may have a problem. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!